Hi children, this is class for 9th class, subject mathematics, chapter number 1, real numbers. Today's topic is representing real numbers on the number line through successive magnification. My name is Mandalpu Srinivasarao, working as PhD Mathematics, Archumbeta, Guntur district. Today's lesson is important points from page number 16 on representing real numbers on the number line through successive magnification with example 11, page number 17. This glass is called magnifying glass. చిన్నప్పుడు మనం భూతద్దం అనేవాళ్ళం. చిన్న చిన్న వస్తువులను చూడటానికి, అక్షరాలు చూడటానికి వీటిని వాడుకునేవాళ్ళం. ఇట్ ఈస్ యూజ్డ్ టు మేక్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ అపియర్ లార్జర్. ఇట్ వాస్ ఇన్వెంటెడ్ బై రోజర్ బేకన్ ఇన్ 1250. Magnifying glasses are frequently used for reading small letters or observing small objects with a moderate amount of magnification like this. Magnifying glasses are a simple optical devices used for viewing details of objects with some magnification. The process of visualization and representation of real numbers on the number line through magnifying glass is known as successive magnification, like this. In our previous classes, we have learned any real number has a decimal expansion. That is, every real number can be represented as either terminating decimal, like this, or non-terminating recurring decimal, like this, or non-terminating and non-recurring decimals, like this. We will take a small example to represent a number, decimal number on number line. First, let us see how to represent terminating decimal on the number line. I want to represent 1.5 on the number line. Then take a number line, like this number line. This is number line. 1.5 means 1.5. 1.5 lies in between 1 and 2. We know that 1.5 is terminating decimal and this lies between 1 and 2. Now take the margin of 1 and 2, this margin, and then magnify the region of 1 and 2 and divide it into 10 equal parts, like this. Take this margin and divide these 10 equal parts. Then we get like this: 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9. 2 means 2.0, 1 means 1.0. Now, where is 1.5? Here is. Then identify 1.5 on this number line and round up the 1.5. Like this is the answer. Take another example. Take one more example. Represent 2.776 on the number line. We want to locate 2.776 on the number line. We know that this is a terminating decimal and this lies between 2 and 3. Take a number line. We can easily observe that 2.776 lies in between 2 and 3, this portion. Take the part between 2 and 3, this part, and magnify it. Divide 10 equal parts, then the numbers will be like 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, etc. and so on. Then you get, take this part, when we using magnifying glass, we get 10 and divide it 10 equal parts, then we get like this: 2, 2.0, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, etc. Now, we can easily observe that 2.776 lies in between 2.7 and 2.8. So, let us focus on this portion between 2.7 and 2.8. We imagine to divide this again into 10 equal parts. Take this part and divide again into 10 equal parts. The first part will represent 2.71, second is 2.72, and so on. This clearly we have to magnify this as below. This is number line. Take this part. Let us focus on this portion of the number line as in the figure. Imagine to divide it into 10 equal parts. 10 equal parts. We magnify it to see it better as in the figure. The first mark represents 2.771, second mark is 2.772 and so on, like this. 2.770, 2.771, 2.772, etc. So 2.776 is this one. 2.776 is the sixth mark in the subdivisions. Round up the required number. This is what we required. We call this process of visualization of presentation of numbers on the number line through a magnifying glass as the process of successive magnification. Take example 11 from your textbook. Visualize the representation of 3.58 bar on the number line through successive magnification up to 4 decimal places. What is the meaning of 3.58 bar? 3.58 bar can be written as like this. 3.58888 is recurring. According to the problem, we have to represent 3.58 bar up to 4 decimal places. That means 3.58 can be represented as, in this example, 3.5888. This is the number we have to represent on the number line. Once again, we proceed the method of successive magnification to represent 3.5888 on the number line. Take a number line with the numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. This is number line. We know that 3.5888 lies in between 3 and 4 in this region. So let us look closely at the portion of the number line between 3 and 4. Suppose we divide this into 10 equal parts as in the figure, then the markings will be like 3.1, 3.2, 3.33, etc. and so on, like this. 3.0, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, like that. To have a clear view, let us assume that we have a magnifying glass in our hand and look at the portion between 3 and 4. It will look like what you see in the figure. When we divide this part into 10 equal parts, we will get like this. Now 3.5888 lies in between 3.5 and 3.6 in this region. So let us focus on the portion of in between 3.5 and 3.6. We imagine to divide this again into 10 equal parts. The markings will be like 3.51, 3.52, 3.53 and so on. To see this clearly, we magnify this as shown in the figure. Take this part and divide 10 equal parts. Magnify it. We get like this. Again we can see that 3.5888 lies in between 3.58 and 3.59 in this portion. So let us focus on this portion of the number line and imagine it again into 10 equal parts. The markings will be like 3.581, 3.582, 3.583 and so on. Then we get like this. Take this portion and magnify it and divide 10 equal parts. Then we get like this. To have a clear view, let us assume that we have a magnifying glass in our hand and look at the portion in between 3.58 and 3.59. It will look like what you see in the figure. Again we can see that 3.5888 lies in between 3.588 and 3.589 in this portion. So let us focus on this portion between 3.588 and 3.589. We imagine to divide this again into 10 equal parts. The markings will be like 3.5881, 3.5882 and so on. To this, see this clearly, we magnify this as shown in the figure. Like so, here is 3.5888. Now we will observe 3.588 where it is lies on the number line and encircle it for identifying 3.5888. This is the number. We call this process of visualization presentation of numbers on the number line through a magnifying glass as the process of successive magnification. Take one small assignment for you. Visualize 5.45 on the number line using successive magnification. Thank you.